Editvideo.io has truly been a game changer for my business recently. I teach social media to actors, and a lot of my content that I put out in the world is through video and on my YouTube channel. And before I worked with Editvideo.io, I felt like I was spending hours, even days, every week trying to get that video edited, add music, and get it out to my channel. And because of that, I was always behind on my to-do list. I could never catch up with my client stuff, my online classes, and my students because I was editing all this video. And since working with them, it has been life-changing for me because I can focus on what matters most in my business and even focus on having more time with my family because I'm not always editing video. The quality is amazing. You get videos in 48 hours most of the time. For me, it's been less than that. It's on brand for me. B-roll's great. You get unlimited revisions, and they put music to videos, which for me was one of the things that wasted a lot of my time, is trying to choose music every single week for my videos. So thank you guys for really changing my life, freeing up more time in my business so I can really help more people. If you are like on the fence about getting a video editor, it will be life-changing for you and your business, and Editvideo.io, they are the place to go. So thank you guys, and let's work on a video.